Buried for 28 years, this beast was still waiting to finish its mission. Beneath the ash, its terrifying face slowly returned to the light. Careful hands uncovered 12 enormous wheels and a body scarred by volcanic ash. The sleeping giant remained silent, dark, and completely motionless. A sealed capsule revealed its name, Cinder Warden. Its final mission was to deliver pressure control equipment to the underground Gate 7. Its central spine was dangerously fractured. Moving it could tear the vehicle apart, so the team built an entire workshop around the beast. Water would turn the volcanic ash into solid cement. Using dry cleaning methods, the team carefully uncovered the Cinder Warden's original metal. Each of the 12 giant wheels was removed and rebuilt by hand. New seals, repaired bearings, and deep volcanic treads prepared them for the mission. Behind the rear armor rested one massive diesel heart. Its engine, hydraulic pumps, and 12 wheel motors were rebuilt piece by piece. Its monstrous face was built for rescue, not fear. The steel jaw cleared debris, while its hydraulic horns lifted collapsed structures.
All right, push it in.
Yeah.
Get the pins ready.
Electricity gently separated decades of rust from the original armor. Some scars were deliberately preserved as proof of its 28 years beneath the ash. The ruined cabin was rebuilt for survival. 8 rescue seats, dual ash filters, and restored analog controls made it ready for the volcanic wasteland. Obsidian armor and deep emerald panels returned the beast to its former appearance. Fully assembled, it waited silently for the final inspection. For the first time in 28 years, the engine awakened, and its amber eyes burned again. Beneath the cabin, the team found 3 undelivered ceramic valves. This was not a test drive. The Cinder Warden resumed its forgotten mission, clearing volcanic debris and forcing a path toward Gate 7. The three missing valves finally reached Gate 7. As the pressure system released safely, the Cinder Warden completed the mission it began 28 years ago.